10 lines on hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It is the only bird that can fly backwards. It is known for its speed. It cannot walk or hop. It has no sense of smell. It has very keen eyesight. It lays the smallest eggs of all birds. The average number of eggs laid by female hummingbird is only 2. It can consume up to double its body weight in a day. It feeds on nectar as well as insects and tiny spiders for protein. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.